Hey, my name is Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the Occupational Reacher. A Reacher is very handy to use in practice. We use this a lot as occupational therapists to help train a client how to get themselves dressed again after an impairment or after a surgery as well. The whole idea of this is that you will pull on the trigger here that's very, very light. You pull with your two fingers. It will cause the other end of the reacher to open and close. Some reachers are horizontal and some are vertical. I particularly like the vertical method as it's a lot easier to pick up items and grasp. I also like the nibby on this device as well. I have clients use this a lot of the times to take off their sock by pulling on the inside of the ankle, and the sock will come right off. This is very strong. It's a durable material. Clients can have these for years without having any issues. Another nice feature of this device is that it does have a non-slip area here on the tip that will help to keep items in here from dropping out. You can reach items from up high and from down low on the ground with this device. It's helpful for picking up items that drop on the ground. I highly recommend this device. Once again, it's a long-lasting tool that you can have for years. I hope this helps.